Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to send files on Messenger. Make sure that you updated the app. Move along to the next step. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my Messenger and go ahead right here and open up this chat. And if you want to send the files right here, you're gonna be able to see like photos and videos, right? And you can share photos or videos on your Messenger. But if you want to share files, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen, go ahead to your files, and what you're gonna do, let me just close this window. Let's have an example. I want to share this book. I'm gonna just hold the book right here, and I'm gonna hit share. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and swipe left, and then click apps, and then scroll a little bit down right here, and you're gonna hit Messenger, and you're gonna be able to share this file to your Messenger, and you're gonna hit send to forward it to that person. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.